Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide videos on CapCut PC. It is actually super simple. So I'm just going to layer these videos on this timeline, if it would just load. And for instance, I want to hide a video that's on top. Maybe I want to, let's say, hide this one, but I don't want to delete it. So if you delete, obviously it's going to be, if you delete it, it's obviously going to be hidden. I can't talk, but you're just going to select this hide track and it's going to hide the video without you deleting it. So just select this like eye icon. Wow. And that is how you can hide videos on CapCut PC when you're editing. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.